So, I don't know how well the sound quality is on this computer or whatnot, but I've been using a weird throat bass sound that isn't an inward snore bass, neither is it a like an outward um, growl bass, like a dubstep bass, but it's more like a crap. It's weird. It's kind of like a and it comes from the back of my throat, and I've just been kind of utilizing that since I lack the ability to, I guess, do an outward growl bass that you would use, I guess, in a dubstep beatbox. And what I have gotten up to, which pretty much destroys my throat, is just like a and I can't really harness that certain sound that I'm looking for. So I really need like some help from whoever can help me. But I guess more on the other sound that I can make that I use instead of that. It's I usually breathe in for it. I can sometimes breathe out and make the same sound, but it's hard to explain. So I'm just gonna kind of like do a routine to show what's happening. So it's like so yeah, I guess I only breathe out. Or sorry, breathe in during it, and it feels like I'm restraining my vocal cords to, I guess, get this sound out. I mean, it's hard to explain really, but if you guys can give me any help, that'd be awesome. Thank you.